If you're a business owner, you probably face a problem or two on occasion. Bills to pay, clients to manage, overseeing that everything is all right. Sometimes these and countless other tasks can be quite exhausting. However, did you know that hiring an accountant can take away the hardest part of running a successful business? Yes, that's right. Accountants can ensure that you pay your taxes correctly and on time, provide you with expert advice that can often save you a lot of money, help you to clearly understand your financial statements so you can see how your numbers are going, assist you with sending out the correct forms to the right people at the right time, indirectly grow your business, and much more. Running a successful business not only requires the ability to do things right, it also involves working with and getting advice from professionals who can help make things easier for you. If you want less hassle, less stress, and want to concentrate on running your business, contact us today so we can provide you with expert advice and help grow your business.